Music Production.
What is poppin', squad? Let's take a look at Bitcoin here. So we're on the daily time frame, and what I have drawn up is an ascending channel, right, or an upward channel. We have a bunch of touches on this upward resistance, and again, you could really move this depending on however you want it to fit your bias. Maybe some people like it like this, and they want it as like a megaphone type pattern. The way I look at it is it's a form of a channel that's going on right here. We have a clear resistance and we have a clear support. Several touches on the upper trend line and 3 touches, major ones, on the lower trend line. So what we could be looking for is a few weeks where we gather in this range and then bounce off of this lower trend line and then go towards the upper trend line, right? And then have this play on throughout a few months here, right? So it's been choppy in terms of price action, but something like this could be possible where we take a lot of time throughout this year doing something like this. Again, you could also look at this in terms of, right, we had a huge jump at the beginning of the year. That's in January. We could look at it as we're in a zone where this is going to go sideways for the year, something like this, where we play in between 20,000 and around 24,000, right? And we just have time going in between these zones. It doesn't have to look pretty right now. It's something like this. It could look like that, where we just play sideways, right? This could happen for a long time of the year. But mostly what I'm looking at, this weekly time frame, right? This is something I'm trying to pay attention to. We have the 21 EMA here. It's in blue. The 21 EMA, we could just take our time because we did have a large ramp up, right? We went up around 50% in price from the very beginning of the year. That 50% in price increase is going to take some time to kind of just fizzle out and get like an equalize essentially. So we could be looking for something where we get this ramp and we spend some time letting the 21 EMA catch up, and then we ramp up again. Same thing where we let the 21 EMA catch up before we ramp up again, right? There's a few different outlooks here, right? Now for the bearish outlook, because it's important to look at the bearish outlook as well. We have, I'm pretty sure we have a weekly, nope. It's most evident on the daily, but this daily bearish divergence where the RSI is decreasing. The highs on the RSI are decreasing and the highs on the price are increasing. So there's a divergence there. And it looks like it's starting to play out where we're getting that decrease in price. So from, let me get this tool up, from right around here to here. So 38 days to start the year, we've got this bearish divergence starting up. That could indicate that we come back into like a lower area, and what I'd be looking for is this zone. We have a lot of confluence in this area. If we date back to August 2022 to November 2022, we were stuck in that zone. We were even stuck in that zone a little bit back in June 2022. So it could be possible that that bearish divergence that we're seeing is indicating that we're going to come back into that 20K zone area and develop a stronger support in that zone. So these are just a few things that I'm looking at on BTC, and this will directly impact all of the other crypto related stocks and altcoins in this space. So that's the breakdown. Peace.